Unit 7. Listening section. In this section of the test, you will have the chance to show how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 parts to this section, with special directions for each part. Part 1. Questions 1 to 6. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear some dialogues or questions spoken in English. The dialogues or questions will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a dialogue and the question about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. Now listen to a sample question. You will hear, "Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's James Bond. How do you do?"
How do you do? I'm Barbara.
You will also hear,
What do we learn from the dialogue?
you will read in your test book,
A.
"The man has never met Barbara before."
B.
"The man never knows James Bond."
C.
"Barbara has met the man before."
D.
"Barbara met James Bond yesterday."
E.
"Barbara meets James Bond every day." The best answer to the question is, "The man has never met Barbara before." Therefore, you should choose answer A. Now let us begin part 1 with question number 1. Number 1. "Excuse me, ma'am, Mr. Harun is looking for you."
All right, send him in.
From what the woman is saying, what does she express? Number 2. When are you going to have the job interview?
Next Monday.
Well, good luck then. What does the man mean? Number 3. Can you give me a hand tomorrow? I want to rearrange several things in my house.
Tomorrow's impossible, but I'm free this weekend.
What does the man ask the woman to do? Number 4. Did your sister clean her room herself?
No, she didn't. She got it cleaned.
What does the woman mean? Number 5. Hi, Rini. Did you have a good time at the party last night?
Yeah, I really did. You should have been there last night.
What do we learn from the dialogue? Number 6. How much are you earning these days?
I think it's none of your business.
What does the woman mean? Part 2. Questions 7 to 10. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several questions or statements spoken in English. The questions and responses will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. You have to choose the best response to each question or statement. Now, listen to a sample question. You will hear,
Well, I'm very glad to have you with me. By the way, my name's Lucy Liu. How do you do?
You will also hear,
A.
How do you do? I'm Satyawan.
B.
I am fine, thank you.
C.
Let me introduce myself.
D.
How do you know me? The best answer to the question, how do you do, is choice A. How do you do? I'm Satyawan. Therefore, you should answer A. Now let us begin part 2 with question number 7. Number 7.
We put off our plan to go camping because of the bad weather.
A. What a wonderful idea. B. How disappointing. C. You're so kind. D. That's very kind of you. Number 8. What's the matter with you, Mira? You look pale and weak.
I'm not feeling well. Perhaps I'm catching influenza.
A. Do you want to see a doctor? B. Will you see a doctor? C. Why don't you go to a doctor? D. Don't you to see a doctor? Number 9. I'm sorry, I've lost your pen.
A. Oh no, why? B. Don't forget it. C. It isn't expensive. D. It doesn't matter a bit.
Number 10.
Here's your coffee, sir. Do you want some milk and sugar?
A. Yes, please. B. I want. C. No, I didn't. D. Yes, you are. Part 3. Questions 11 to 15. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several monologues. Each monologue will be spoken 2 times. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers say. After you hear a monologue and the questions about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the questions you have heard. Now let us begin Part 3. Questions 11 and 12. Can you name the colors in English? Yes, you're right. Blue, red, yellow, and so on. By the way, I have a funny story about the colors. Do you want to hear it? Okay, listen to me carefully. An English teacher was explaining about colors to his students. Then the teacher asked a question. Who can make a sentence using the words green, yellow, and pink? James, the smartest student in the class, quickly raised his hand and answered, When the yellow morning sun comes, I see a beautiful girl wearing a pink blouse walking through the green grass. Excellent, James. You are a very good student, praised the teacher. Me, sir. Johnny, the naughtiest student in the class, said while raising his hand. And then he said, I heard the telephone ringing, green, green. Then I pinked up the receiver and I said, Yellow, who's 11. Speaking there? Where do you think the story takes place? Number 12. What is the purpose of the speaker telling this story? Questions 13 and 14. Bukit Batu Tabur is known as the longest quartz ridge in the world. It measures 16 kilometers long and is 200 meters wide. The ridge is also recognized as the world's single largest quartz dike. It is as old as the main range. With its 9 bulges and ragged cliffs, Bukit Batu Tabur looks very much like a prehistoric creature's backbone. What is Bukit Batu Tabur? Number 14. What does Bukit Batu Tabur look like? Question 15.
Insert your ticket. Insert your ticket. Please pay 4,000 rupees for 2 hours. Remove your ticket. You will need it to exit the garage. Take your change.
15. Where can you probably hear this recording?